that we've covered tooth characterization with our stains, it's time to move on to the gingival region. In this video, you'll learn how to get the most out of our ID Gum Master Kit. We'll demonstrate two different gingival characterization techniques: internal shade layering with ID GumPutty and fluid layering with our GumFlow resin. Both materials will be bonded to the prosthesis using PMMA bond. As a quick recap from our previous video, we covered the complete tooth characterization protocol, using ID nanostains from initial preparation and support removal, to surface conditioning with adhesive, shade mapping, stain application, and final sealing with nanoglaze. Here is the shade mapping layout we created with nanostain. We'll begin gingival characterization using internal, layering with volume using ID GumPutty. We will apply nanostain pink as our base shade on the gingival zone. Use red stain to highlight the interdental papillae, and add texture using GumPutty in light pink. Dispense pink and red stains from our nanostain master kit onto a mixing pad after shaking well. Start by coating the gingival area to serve as an opaque base layer. Ensure full, uniform coverage of the gingiva while keeping the tooth surfaces clean. Apply red stain to the interdental papillae areas prior to light curing to create a soft, natural gradient in the tissue. The more red stain you apply in the interdental papillae areas, the more pronounced the effect will show through the putty. Flash cure for 10 to 15 seconds to set the stain. Then apply ID GumPutty to match the patient's aesthetic. In this case, light pink. Thanks to its light cure formulation, this material offers extended working time, allowing ample time to place and shape it on the prosthesis before curing. Wearing gloves to prevent material contamination. Flatten a thin sheet of the material and place it over the gingival zone, gradually compacting it into the gingival contours. Next, we'll demonstrate internal layering using our GumFlow liquid resin. For our base, we'll use red, trans blue, and red-brown to add chromatic depth to the alveolar mucosa and mucogingival junction. For volume and texture, we'll apply dark pink flow in the interdental papillae areas, light pink flow along the marginal gingiva, and finish with pink for the attached gingiva. Begin applying stains for the internal characterization using red as a base. Followed by trans blue and red-brown to build depth and saturation for darker, mucosal tissue tones. Flash cure with a curing light for 10 seconds. Then use our GumFlow resin syringes to add soft tissue color. Start with dark pink over the interdental papillae. applying a drop and spreading it with the syringe tip to build volume, shape, and shade. Follow with the lighter shade, light pink, along the marginal gingiva. Use a spatula to spread light pink into tighter spaces between the teeth. Finally, use pink to add volume to the attached gingiva. Notice that we do not light cure between applying the different GumFlow shades. This allows the three tones to blend seamlessly into a soft, natural gradient. Light cure, then add ruby shade to build saturation wherever needed. Our Gum Master Kit includes a wide range of shades to adapt to any clinical presentation. Once complete, perform a final light cure, and your full prosthesis characterization is complete. Don't forget to apply nano-glaze to protect your gingival characterization. Remember, it doesn't just add a glossy effect. It seals nanometric surface porosities. This is driven by its nanoparticle technology. So be sure to shake your nano-glaze thoroughly to ensure uniform distribution. That completes our process for bringing natural life and detail to your restorations. All made possible by the unique capabilities of the ID system. If you enjoyed this video, follow us on social media for more premium content and tips on maximizing the potential of our resin product lines.